Hi everyone, I'm here to explain you the differences between large language model and small language models. These are again, the most frequently used terms in the AI world. Uh, just to take a simple example of general practitioner who knows everything about cardiology, neurology, nutrition, oncology, everything. Whereas cardiac surgeon who knows are specialized on the cardiology. So these are the best examples that you can visualize between LLM and SLM. The other example can be a commercial aeroplane versus an electric scooter. A commercial aeroplane, incredibly powerful, can go anywhere, carries enormous cargo, but it needs a huge airport. In our case, to deploy LLMs, we need a data center. But cost for operating, deploying will be huge. The same way, if you take a small scooter, it's perfect for daily commute, charges overnight, fits anywhere, nearly free to run, not for crossing oceans and all that. So if you have to run LLMs, you need a huge computing, huge space, such as cloud or your own data centers. Whereas to run small language models, you can even run it on your local desktop or a laptop, but there's a specification of processing speed and all that. Or you can also run on a mobile. That is how Samsung and other mobiles are supporting AI on the phone itself. So it's that simple. Let me just take you further to make you understand. This is how it works. So you can see here there are some unique notebooks which got legal terms, focus data, niche cases, and the user is asking for what is the legal definition of negligence, and it just simply search for its own local model in the database and gives the outcome of that. Whereas large language model is trained with plenty of books, you can consider it as a huge library of the books. And if the user asks for write a poem about a robot chef and a list, it searches every book, database, web databases, and all the stuff, and finally it gives you the output. This is your local, and whereas the LLM is somewhere on your cloud or a big, huge data center. Let me take you further. In the large language models, it's like a massive university library, millions of books on every topic, can answer almost every question, requires a big building, whereas small language models are a specialist personal bookshelf, curated books on specific topics, expert in its chosen domain. I can choose like tax or assurance, one particular domain I can choose and train my models, and then I can deploy it to the local so that they don't need to really make a call to the cloud. It will be super fast when it is running in your local of laptop or a mobile, and you're also not spending any money to the cloud provider or your generative AI provider, and that's why it's free or very cheap to run locally. And these are the few examples that you can take it. ChatGPT, everyone of us know Cloud, Gemini, Ultra, Llama. These are the large language models runs on their own servers, and we are utilizing from the front end. Whereas there are definitely Llama has their own tiny Llama, which is open source. Microsoft has its own 5.3 mini. At the same time, you have to use Azure local AI Foundry that actually runs these models locally. From Google, you have Gamma 2B, Mistral 7B from the Mistral AI. So there are plenty of local models, small language models are also available that you can just set it up on your local itself. And to better understand how it is making its small language model or a simple language model, it's all depending on the number of parameters it is running. All these large language models work on 100 billion parameters to 1 trillion plus parameters, whereas small language models work on 1 billion to 7 billion parameters, because it actually be deployed to your local desktops. Training data, hundreds of TB of text, whereas the small language models only focus on certain curated data sets. I already mentioned LLMs run on the cloud servers and GPUs, whereas small language models work on laptops, phones, edge devices. So speed-wise, definitely small language models are much faster because it is actually querying local, whereas large language models will take little time depending on what kind of query you are triggering and where it is reaching. Cost definitely high per query when it is LLMs. Small language models will come very cheap. So you can just better understand and decide where to use, where not to use for your own requirements. Uh, and you can also create your use cases based on what is LLM and SLM. Thanks for watching my videos.